шматяра. Давай, що ти
So what? How many years do you have experience in agriculture?
Since I started in 1973.
1973.
Oh.
Okay.
Yep. So
It's
52
around
years.
52 years.
Yeah.
Much. So it's about technology. So now it's a great technology in agriculture. 50 years ago was nothing about technology. I mean, when first time did you do this soil analysis? First time, you remember?
When did I start using this soil analysis?
Yeah.
Yes, when is first time?
Actually, that's when I started in 1973. I was already trained by Dr. Albrecht. I met him in 1968, so about 5 years later.
5 years, yes. So it's first soil analysis did you make? Yes, did you do? First one.
What's the first soil analysis I did?
Yes, you did.
I've never done a soil analysis.
No, I mean when you see it, when you see first time the result of it.
What was it? Is that what you're asking? What kind?
Not kind. When you see like I mean about як сказати правильно про це. Коли він перший раз побачив результати аналізу.
When you see first time analysis of soil analysis.
First time, you remember this?
In 1973, when I started with 3 friends.
Yes.
Who were farmers. And they were pushing me, hurry and finish up. We want you to tell us what to do.
Okay.
And that was in April of 1973 when I did the first soil testing for them and started to make the recommendations. Is that what you mean?
Yes. What education did you get? First education.
What education did I have?
Yes, what education?
What did you finish?
What kind of education?
First of all, I grew up on farms, and my grandfathers were farmers, and my father was a farmer.
Okay.
And basically, we grew corn, soybeans, wheat, cotton, and some pasture for livestock.
Okay.
My one grandfather also actually grew alfalfa or lucerne as well. That was his main crop for years and years. But then, as far as education, I attended Southwest Missouri State University for 2 years, and then transferred to Southern Illinois University because of some professors that recommended I do that. And I got my Bachelor of Science from Southern Illinois University in marketing in 1965.
Okay, may some question about how to understand what kind of method do you use for understanding which zone, how to divide your field for zones, which method?
Okay, first of all, before GPS, we would
in DBI?
You would like to?
No. I am okay. Tell please.
Before GPS, we in the U.S. had the USDA every 5 years flew aerial photos, and they were always matched out then to the. In other words, you could take those, and they were always with the exact same height or altitude, so that we could actually take what we called a planimeter and outline a field and see how many acres was in that field. Then we used those aerial photos, and they all were designed to work with an engineer's chain, so you could measure the soils and so forth. And we'd measure where we were working and draw the lines in just by measurement. But the first thing we looked at is look at the picture and see how many differences could we see in that field. And you could generally pick out the heavy soils versus the medium versus the light. And then when you get there, you could look at the crops, and if some part was quite different, the question was, how large did it have to be before the farmer would fertilize it separately? And some farmers would say, you just tell me and I'll do it. Other farmers would say 5 acres, 10 acres, whatever. So then if it was too small for them to fertilize separately, we just stay out of that. We didn't take any sample because it's going to throw the rest off. So we used aerial photos and actually put those on based on true measurements where we had to step it off or measure it off and so forth. And we'd draw a map for the farmer so that he could look at it, and if he say, well, how far is that? Well, you could put a planimeter on there and say it's so many 100 feet or whatever.